Today's video is sponsored by Sunber Hair. They sent me over a 28-inch Kinky straight V-part wig, and I'm so excited to put this hair on. I love the Kinky straight texture because I feel like honestly it blends with my hair the easiest. I can do a Kinky curly texture, but I always have to really go in with the blend and kind of tweak it to get the perfect blend, especially for V-parts. But with Kinky straight hair, I feel like my hair just blends in effortlessly. So when I have a Kinky straight unit, I either like to wear it straightened to get like a light yaki vibe, or I like to wand curl it, which is what we're going to end up doing today. But before we get into that, I'm going to go ahead and take my leave out down and part it down the middle, which is where we're going to be wearing our part. And it just blends into my hair effortlessly. We haven't even started the styling process yet. Before we get into that, I want to work on the cut. So I'm parting out my hair in front of my ear, and I'm putting some face framing layers into the wig with my razor comb. You can use scissors, but I feel like a razor comb is a little bit more forgiving because it doesn't take away as much hair and you get a more soft look. The ends aren't super blunt. I feel like with wand curls, if you have super blunt ends, it doesn't look as natural. I didn't cut any hair off the ends of the wig. Normally I'll trim the ends, but with this look I want the ends to be as like, not thin, but just kind of like as wispy as possible because it makes the curls look a lot more natural. To style the wig, I'm going in with my wand curler and I'm taking small sections around the one that starts big and gets small at the end. It is a lot of hair on this wig, so I had to really take my time with it, and it took me about an hour and a half to wand curl all of it, but it was definitely worth it because I've been able to take the wig off and put it back on without having to curl it again, and the curls are still there, so. I went ahead and wand curled this entire row, and after I finish each row, I'm spraying it down with a little bit of hairspray to give the curls a little bit of extra hold and some texture so that it has a little bit more volume when we go ahead and brush everything out. This is one side completely curled. The curls are bouncy, they're super tight, and I love how the blend is on the roots of the wig. You really can't tell that this isn't my hair. It looks so natural. Now I kind of have to go through and do the exact same thing on the other side. And I take the last curl and start it as far up the wand as possible so I can get a big curl in the root so it frames my face a little bit better. And this is what it looks like when all of the curls are in the hair. You can leave it like this and kind of wait for the curls to drop and spread out naturally, but I wanted a super voluminous look, so I went ahead and pulled the curls apart and kind of fluffed everything out to get it nice and big. Now, of course, we had to go ahead and tidy up the baby hairs, and this is the finished look. I love the curls. The texture on his hair is perfect. I've had this wig for like a week. I've put it on, put it in a bag to store it, put it back on, and the curls are still there. So I guess it was worth the little hour and a half. I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's video. All of the information about this hair will be down below in the description bar, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, babes.